Long after the pandemic began, a Beloit nurse uprooted her life to treat coronavirus patients in the hardest hit parts of the country. We first spoke with Nikki Olson in April. At the time, she was in New York, but has since made her way to Texas. Alexis Carpello checked back in with Olson today. She shares the overall impact the virus has had on her patients and herself.
There's a lot that goes to this virus. It's not cookie cutter. It's not simple.
Nikki Olson is a wife, mother, and an ICU nurse from Beloit. She's been away from her family for months, working in COVID units across the country.
I've seen so much suffering in various cities across the United States. So in New York, in Connecticut, in Texas. The 8 months I've been gone, I can only think of maybe 5 to 7 people that have left the ICU, but I honestly don't know what their life looks like. I think people think that there's just some magic cure out there or there's some magic drug, and I've been to different hospitals all across the country and the treatment is really the same. There's really no treatment, and there's really nothing that I have seen thus far that works. And not that I put all this trust and hope in a vaccine, because I know there's a lot of things that go into getting a vaccine and making a vaccine and perfecting it. It's just, we really have nothing to offer people.
On Thanksgiving, a day many of us spent with our immediate family, Olson had just finished a 12-hour shift when I talked with her. She wants everyone to weigh the risk of gathering for the holidays with spreading the virus.
I just wish everyone would err on the side of caution. I know this has been a long time now. This has been 8 months of life-altering decisions. I also know that there's a lot of really tired nurses and doctors out there and CNAs, and it's a lot of work. It's more, and not that I don't love what I do, but it's a lot of work to keep these people alive.
Coming up tonight at 9 and 10 on Eyewitness News, Olson explains why she's finally taking a break from the ICU. Reporting for your home team, I'm Alexis Carpello.